what I have here is again a dummy sort of table which has three fields: variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, and some bunch of numbers. Okay. Now what I want is, I want to conditionally format these. What does that mean? That means I want to know what is the, all numbers, uh, sort of color code the numbers, right? Which means, example, the lower numbers will be red, the higher numbers will be green, right? So how I can do it is just select this, go to conditional formatting. You will see a lot of items, right? Highlight cell, top, bottom rules, data bars, color scale. If I go to color scale and click on this, you will see that it has sort of color coded and sort of built a heat map. Okay, there are different, these are all visual representations, right? 269. This is how you can actually conditionally format. You can also do this. You can say, I want to conditionally format only cells which are greater than let's say 6. Okay, and I want to show them as a custom format. I want to fill it in green and say okay. You see this only. Now if I change this into 1, the formatting will go. Okay, if I change it into 6, there will be no formatting. But if I change it into 8, then automatically it will be formatted, right? How many of you are cricket fans here? How many of you are great? I'm also a huge cricket fan. Okay, I'm a sports fan, but I specifically follow IPL, World Cup, and all that. So whenever IPL happens, right, me and my friends have this fantasy league. I don't know if people, like any of you play fantasy league, but it's pretty cool, right? It's like a time pass. So what I do during that is, I just sort of build a dashboard. Okay, let me take you to it. Okay, it's a very simple dashboard. These are my group of friends, and every round you get some points, right? So what I do is I just conditionally format it to see who are the top 5, right? And then after every round, I see how am I progressing. Okay. Uh, Also, I see what is the difference in the end from me. Let's say, for example, last IPL, I was in the 4th position in the end. Um, and the person who got the first beat me by almost 600 points, right? And I also sort of create some ranks for myself, who are the top 3 ranks. If you look at it, there were times when I did not perform at all well. For example, round 1, I did not have any rank, but almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 out of 8 rounds, I was like among the top 3, right? So these are all some of the things that you don't require actually data or a problem, but simple things that you can do, right? So yeah, conditional formatting helped me here, right? Uh, and Aishwarya, that's not a lot of data actually. This is very, very little data. What we're going to see now is actually a lot of data. Okay, but I just wanted to take a minute and, in fact, talk to you about, you know, some things. If you're inquisitive and interested, to do, you can do all these sort of things and don't have to wait for data to come and all of that, right?